bit. We had this DC2 last year on the channel and FN2.
FD2.
FD2.
Yes, FD2.
Yeah, obviously DC2 is Integra and FN2 is the most hated one, and FD2 is basically yeah, the four-door of the no, not EP3, the one after, or yes, or
FN.
FN.
Yes.
So it is the four. Yes. I would cut this out, but I want to show you my human nature that people can make mistakes under stressful environment. Today's stressful environment is running a K20 modified, properly modified car in very rainy and wet conditions on semi-slicks. So yeah, and I also have stuff to do, and I had a stressful day. But this was a very nice stress reliever. So, remind us of the setup.
So, all-in suspension, everything's pretty much changed. AP Racing big brakes.
Yes.
Hyper Racing intake, proper exhaust, no cat obviously.
Can we see under the bonnet what's happening there? Because while you're showing this, I mean, again, we have proper tires, 9-inch CRS, massive brake system. What's the brake pads?
They're Project Muse.
Okay, they're very, very good. Proper Honda spec. I know that Skunk 2, Dave, he told me, like, when you're building a Honda, you need to do Project Mu, because we ran everything in the world and that was the best pad ever. And they ran it in endurance and everything. I'm like, yeah, I will give it a try, and here we are. Yeah, interior also nicely well sorted. Like the FN2, the FD2 has a split screen, so you have speedometer there, RPM there. In the past it was an issue to film both, almost impossible, but now we film the RPM and speedometer. You have GPS of Draggy, so yeah, shout out to Draggy, and use code Misha on GoDraggy.com so you can have a fancy telemetry yourself, yeah, and compare it to mine. You can actually. Anyway, K20 looks quite modest. Anything special, like you said, intake?
The intake was changed from last time when
Yeah.
we had the Group N, because I wanted more torque, and then previously it had a cat, now it doesn't have a cat anymore, so we're pushing a little bit more power, as well as more torque.
It felt very nice, very torquey, very screamy, very beautiful. I can keep on going, but it's actually getting wet, and I think you just want to see and hear some driving. So thanks again for stopping by. Very spontaneous, impromptu, and I'm like, oh yeah, I would definitely want to have a go. And started raining. I'm like, you know what, let's still go, because last year the car did not have semi-slicks, now it does, and now in the wet it's actually worse than last year technically, but if you're quick enough, you can still get a lap in until the track becomes way too wet. You need to know how much is way too wet. I guess it comes with experience, but in our case we figured out exactly, because only last 2 corner I could feel the car sliding away. So see for yourself. It was quite a nice wet lap. Enjoy the scream of K20. Yay! Alrighty, welcome aboard. Yeah, it is raining. We're in semi-slicks, so it's going to be quite interesting, but I still would love to try it out to see how it goes. Because it's usually we had always an issue with speedometer and RPM gauge being in different spots, but now thanks to Draggy we can have GPS speed. So if you guys also want to have telemetry for your track car, use code Misha on GoDraggy.com and have awesome content, and also see if your driving improves. So the thing with the rain, of course it makes the track slippy, but if it just slight drizzles, it's not that big of an issue. The main issue becomes when it's when you're gonna have proper aquaplaning, when there's a layer of water on the track that you cannot brake and turn properly. And also temperature of your tires. So if you're hitting wet spots, you still have a bit of time to react. Just be prepared that the car might start sliding. But so far, as you can see, everything is quite alright. Still gonna be smooth through the high G-force corners. see. Very nice. Probably should have downshifted, but M2-inch Schwedenkreuz. Quite a tall 6 gear, it feels like. Unattentive car. Quite alright. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Using all the 6 gears through here. Double downshift before foxhole. Probably keep it through third through here. Alright. The grip levels are in between right now. Slight drizzles. Tarmac is not the hottest, but the emotion of the K20 is all we need. Oh yeah, the car is tripoding through Mezcasfeld. This means we have plenty of grip. I love how the back end is lifting and stepping out when you trail brake. Such a nice platform. Should have installed pedal cam on this one. Really, really good. Wow. So good. Insane. So Breitscheid is usually the slippiest section of the track, because of the amount of rubber through there. Is one of the oldest repaved sections. So we had grip through there. Hello? That was 6 gear, not necessary. Messed that one up. Because I was trying to explain to you that if through there we had grip, then the rest of the track we should have grip as well. I love this car. Now with semi-slicks, so good, so good. Almost empty track. Almost sad that there is like no faster traffic that we can have fun with. But nice, super nice. Uh-oh, we're gonna see yellow flag, yep. Too bad. Because we had some very good pace. Oh well. I'm just enjoying. Flat through here, keep it planted. Yes, fantastic. Oh wow. Oh, the turn in, my god, do it downshift? Yes. So good. Just modulated throttle. It looks a bit slippy through here, but photographer's running umbrellas. This means maybe there was a bit more slippy through here. Proceed with slight caution. So far so good. Ashbach. ABS is engaging. I see some wet notion. Yeah, the car starts floating a bit. Let's see here, inside line. Still grippy, but I want to drive much faster through here. On the edge, you can feel the tires slipping away. Woo! Bigger drops of range right here. Just taking a bit of wet line, so we're gonna say a tiny bit on the outsides. Still okay. Here the tarmac is properly wet, you can see it. At least I can see it, not sure if you guys can see it on camera. Take the outside, not too much load. Yeah, the front wheels are slipping away now, so we're gonna stay on the outside. No sudden movements. There we go. Very nice. Not too bad. Not too bad. I loved it. Very good lap, last lap of the day for me, because yeah, the conditions are getting too wet now. I'm actually gonna go to do some skids in the drift park of Nürburgring. Gonna have some fun. But yeah, in short, freaking love this car, amazing. Drove it last year already, it was good, but not as great as it could have been with decent tires, which we have now, and wow, super happy with the setup. It's even like it has a nice overkill on the brakes, which is fantastic. I would need like 2 more laps with it just to get used to the actual limit of the car, because you can brake so much later or not brake at all. And of course, also since it was wet, we took it relatively easy in terms of capabilities of the car, but loved it. So happy we could make it again, and super nice. Small tiny yellow flag, so there was that, but otherwise, mwah.